All right, let's go ride before my girlfriend gets back from work. I just picked up some Pokemon cards and gotta move the bike. Let's start this up. Let's get the dogs back inside in a second too. I'll let them play a little longer. But here's the RSV4. There we go. Cinematic as hell. Look at that. Yeah, I'll give you guys a little cold start of the RSV4. Project across. Just the slip on, the full exhaust is way too much. We got the slip right now. Looking mean though. Definitely get a quad lock if you don't have one. They save lives. It's really nice to see my notifications on my phone. That and a Cardo. Give yourself a Cardo if you don't have one. Let's go. Come on, why are you walking all slow? It's just my bike, bro. You're good. You're good. Let's get it. See you guys later. Oh my God. Wow. That was absolutely terrifying. That was the first time like fully ripping the RSV4. That was crazy. No leaks.